Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Pedicure Callus Remover is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to achieve smooth, soft feet at home, transforming your pedicure routine from a chore into a spa-like experience right in your own bathroom, and ensuring that you can always put your best foot forward with confidence, no matter the occasion. Number 5. Colossal Foot Rasp Foot File and Callus Remover. Are you struggling with rough, hard skin on your feet? This tool is designed to effectively remove calluses and leave your skin feeling smooth. Achieve a professional pedicure in the comfort of your own home. It's the best foot care tool for removing tough skin, giving you soft, healthy feet. You can use this foot file on both wet and dry feet, making your pedicure routine flexible and convenient. It adapts to your preference. Crafted from high-grade stainless steel, this tool is built to last. Its durable construction ensures effective callus removal every time. Say goodbye to cracked heels and rough patches. With regular use, you'll reveal smoother, softer feet that you'll love to show off. What we like? This tool offers exceptional durability with its high-grade stainless steel construction. It's versatile for use on both wet and dry feet, making it convenient for any pedicure routine. If you prefer a manual, long-lasting tool that can handle tough calluses effectively, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a great tool for removing calluses. It is very effective and easy to use. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 4. Lee Beauty 8-ounce Professional Gel Callus Remover. Are you struggling with dry, cracked heels and stubborn dead skin? Our professional gel formula is designed to tackle these issues effectively. Experience the power of our fast-acting solution. It works quickly to soften and remove calluses, revealing smoother skin. This extra-strength formula is perfect for even the toughest cracked heels. It provides deep hydration and repair. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your own home. It's easy to use and delivers visible improvements. Say goodbye to rough patches and hello to soft, smooth feet. Our callus remover helps restore your skin's natural beauty. Despite its strength, it's gentle on your skin. Enjoy a comfortable application and impressive results. What we like? Experience rapid results with its fast-acting gel formula. This product is designed with extra strength to tackle even the most stubborn cracked heels and dead skin. If you're dealing with severely dry or cracked feet and want a powerful, quick solution, this gel remover is ideal. What people say. This Pedicure Callus Remover is very effective at removing dead skin and calluses. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to use. It has multiple speed settings, allowing for customized treatment. Number 3. Lee Beauty 8-ounce Professional Gel Callus Remover and Foot File Kit. Are you struggling with rough, dry, or cracked heels? Our professional-grade gel formula is designed to soften and remove dead skin effectively. Experience the power of our fast-acting, extra-strength formula. It works quickly to reveal smoother, softer skin on your feet. This 8-ounce bottle contains our original, potent gel remover. It's specifically formulated to tackle even the toughest calluses and dead skin. For a complete pedicure experience, this kit includes a professional Rasp foot file. Achieve salon-quality results in the comfort of your home. Say goodbye to cracked heels and dead skin. Our callus remover and file work together to give you the soft, smooth feet you deserve. Simply apply the gel, let it work its magic, and then use the included file. It's an easy and effective way to care for your feet. What we like? This kit combines the power of a fast-acting gel with a professional rasp for a comprehensive solution. It's formulated for extra strength to address cracked heels and dead skin effectively. If you're looking for a 2-in-1 solution that offers both chemical and manual exfoliation for complete foot rejuvenation, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This is a great tool for removing calluses. It is easy to use and very effective. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 2. Electric Feet Callus Remover. Tired of rough, dry skin on your feet? Introducing a revolutionary way to achieve smooth, soft skin with ease. This device makes professional pedicure results achievable at home. Enjoy the convenience of a rechargeable battery, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. Its portable design means you can maintain perfect feet anywhere, anytime. Effectively removes dead, hard, and cracked skin, revealing healthier-looking feet. Say goodbye to calluses and hello to comfort. Experience the power of a professional pedicure in the comfort of your own home. Achieve salon-quality results without the hassle or expense. Designed to be gentle on your skin while powerfully tackling even the most stubborn calluses. It's the perfect solution for your daily foot care routine. Transform your feet with this advanced electronic file. It's your secret weapon for achieving and maintaining soft, smooth, and beautiful feet. What we like? Enjoy the convenience of a rechargeable and portable electric device. It provides a professional pedicure experience right at home, effectively smoothing away dead, hard, and cracked skin. If you value portability and a powerful electric solution for regular foot maintenance, this is an excellent option. What people say. This is a great tool for removing calluses. It is easy to use and very effective. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Number 1. Rechargeable waterproof electric foot callus remover. Tired of rough, calloused feet? Discover a simple way to achieve smooth, soft skin with our innovative device. It's designed for ultimate convenience and effective results. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with its long-lasting rechargeable battery. Its portable design makes it perfect for use at home or while traveling, ensuring your feet always feel their best. Experience a spa-like pedicure in or out of the shower. This device features a fully waterproof design, allowing for easy cleaning and versatile use. Achieve salon-quality results in minutes. It effectively removes dead skin and calluses, leaving your feet looking and feeling revitalized. Get professional pedicure results from the comfort of your home. Equipped with multiple rollers, it gently buffs away dry, rough skin without causing irritation. It's the perfect tool for maintaining healthy, beautiful feet. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This foot care solution is perfect for anyone who deserves a little pampering. Give the gift of smooth, healthy feet. What we like? This electric remover features a waterproof design for easy cleaning and use. It comes with 3 different roller heads to customize your exfoliation experience. If you appreciate the convenience of an electric device, enjoy the flexibility of multiple attachments, and are looking for a thoughtful gift for someone who loves foot care, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The callus remover is very effective at removing dead skin and calluses, leaving feet smooth and soft. It has multiple speed settings and interchangeable heads, allowing for customized treatment. The device is rechargeable and comes with a travel case, making it convenient for use on the go. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.